Welcome. Let's listen to a beautiful story today. The Box in the Attic. It's a magical tale of discovery and wonder. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. The Box in the Attic. Emma is a young woman. She lives in a small house near the forest. She lives there with her cat Max. Her life is quiet and simple. One rainy morning, Emma wakes up early. She makes tea and sits near the window. Suddenly, she hears a sound from the attic. She never goes there. But today, she feels curious. Emma takes a flashlight and walks upstairs. The attic is dark and full of old things. She sees a small wooden box with her name on it. She opens the box. Inside, there is a letter, a photo, and a silver key. The letter says, "To Emma." This key opens a door in the forest. Go before sunset. Trust yourself. Grandma. Emma puts on her boots and coat. She walks into the forest. The trees are tall and quiet. After 15 minutes, she sees a small door in a hill. She uses the silver key. Click! The door opens slowly. Inside, there are stairs going down. She enters. The room is warm and bright. There are pictures of her family. In the center is a big book. It says, Emma's Story. She opens the book. The first page says, "This is the story of who you are." Emma smiles. She feels peace, love, and light. It is a gift. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more magical stories with subtitles. See you next time.